Video is for class 12th, lecture number 3rd. We are going to discuss here about integrated rate law expression. What do you mean by integrated rate law? It means the rate law which can be expressed in terms of integration or by using integration. Thus here zero order. If we are taking for zero order reaction, then rate can be expressed in differential form is minus dr by dt, where R is the concentration of R, and here dP by dt is the concentration of product. R is the concentration of reactant. Now, if we are talking about the next one, that is rate equals to K of R naught, it means that rate in terms of differential can be expressed as minus of d R by dt equals to K of R naught. And have you got it from where it has come? It has come from this expression for zero order reaction. Now, if we are here, the rate constant is independent of concentration. That's why we have written here K only. Thus, the K is independent of the concentration of R, where R is the reactant. Finally, we have written in this type. Now, minus dr equals to K of dt. This dt is getting to that side. Now, integration on both sides, we get minus dr equals to K of dt, where dr is simply minus of R equals to kt plus I, where I is the integration constant. Now, at time 0, R becomes R naught. R becomes R naught. And if we are putting this value in first equation, we get minus of R naught equals to K of 0 plus I. Finally, we get the value of I, that is minus of R naught. This becomes second expression. And finally, we have minus of R equals to KT minus of R naught. R naught minus R equals to KT, where it finally becomes expression number A. Now, the R0 is the A, is initial concentration at any time t, and R is the final concentration at time t, A minus X. Now, R naught is the A, is the initial concentration at time t equals to 0. T equals to 0. Thus, from A we have finally A minus X equals to K of T. It means कि अगर आपने कोई concentration A लिया था, उसमें T टाइम के बाद कुछ इसमें से इसका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन डिक्रीज हुआ है, जो कि x मोल का डिक्रीमेंट हुआ है, तो वो हम इस प्रकार से लिख सकते हैं a माइनस एक्स, और आपको सिंपली इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो kt इक्वल्स टू x मिलेगा. दिस इज योर इंटीग्रेटेड रेट लॉ फॉर जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. नाउ कम टू हियर फॉर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, integrated rate law expression. Now, in case of first order, what we have rate equals to finally, in case of differential form, we have rate equals to minus of dr by dt, where R is used here in terms of concentration of reactants, and the rate equals to K of R. Finally, from these two equations, we have this expression minus d R by dt equals to K of R, and it becomes minus of d by dt R equals to K of R. minus of dr by r equals to k of dt. it changes its integration both sides by changing these two. Here r comes from here and t goes to there. Thus integration, we know that dr by r is the natural log of r equals to kt plus I. I is the integration constant. Now at t equals to 0, r becomes r naught. So finally we have to put this value. That's why natural log r naught equals to k of 0 plus I, and finally we have the value of integration constant is minus of ln r naught. Therefore minus of ln r equals to kt minus of ln r naught, which means here minus of ln r plus ln r naught equals to kt equals to ln r naught minus ln r equals to kt. It means here that natural log is, this is the property of log simply, and is written in terms of fraction. Thus we have this type of expression, and the value for natural log is 2.303 log r naught by r equals to kt. This is your expression number B in terms of A and A minus x, where A is the initial concentration and A minus x is the final concentration. We have this type of expression. Now the application of integrated rate law. It tells us about the exact value of k. K is the rate constant, and second calculate the order of any reaction. In terms of graph, how to calculate k, we will discuss it by this next lecture.